Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with quick, focused checks so you don't waste time. Verify the model and watch OS to rule out software quirks. Open settings right arrow general right arrow about. Inspect the magnetic charger, cable, and power adapter for corrosion, frays, or debris. Clean with a soft brush. Plug the charger into a different known good USB port or wall adapter. Sometimes the port, not the watch, is the issue. Once done, look for the charging symbol. If it doesn't appear, move on to software steps. Now you perform targeted software and hardware elimination. Force restart the watch by holding the side button and digital crown together for about 10 to 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears. This resolves many temporary faults. Remove the band and clean the back sensor area with a lint-free cloth and a little 70% isopropyl alcohol to remove oils that block contact. Then test with a different Apple Watch charger or puck. If the alternate charger works, finish with deeper steps that resolve stubborn problems. Reset all settings from settings right arrow general right arrow, reset to clear misconfigured options without erasing data. Make sure you've tried restarts first. If charging still fails after testing another charger, schedule a Genius bar or contact Apple support. Battery or charging coil faults require service. One key troubleshooting tip: try charging in power reserve or low power scenarios, and avoid USB hubs. Sometimes a direct wall outlet provides stable current when other ports do not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.